Alexander the Great, who lived from 356 to 323 BCE, wasn't just a powerful ruler. He was a legendary figure whose exploits have been recounted for centuries. Here's a glimpse into his remarkable journey. Born in Pella, the capital of Macedon, a kingdom in northern Greece, Alexander was tutored by the great philosopher Aristotle. From a young age, he displayed exceptional talent in warfare and horsemanship. His father, King Philip II, aimed to unite the fractious Greek city-states and prepared Alexander to be a worthy successor. Following his father's assassination in 336 BCE, Alexander, at the young age of 20, ascended the throne. He quickly quelled rebellions within Greece and secured his position as leader. Determined to fulfill his father's dream, he set his sights on a much grander ambition, the conquest of the Achaemenid Persian Empire. In 334 BCE, Alexander launched his campaign against Persia, then a vast empire encompassing much of the Middle East. His brilliant military strategies, coupled with the innovative use of the Macedonian phalanx, a powerful infantry formation, led to a series of decisive victories. Alexander defeated the Persian king, Darius III, at the battles of Issus and Gaugamela, effectively shattering Persian dominance. Alexander's relentless ambition drove him eastward. He conquered Mesopotamia, Babylon, and Persepolis, the ceremonial capital of Persia. He then ventured into Central Asia, reaching as far as the Indus Valley. During his conquests, he adopted elements of Persian culture and encouraged intermarriage between his soldiers and conquered peoples. By the time of his death in 323 BCE, at the young age of 32, Alexander had created one of the largest empires in history. His legacy is complex. He is hailed as a brilliant military strategist and a visionary leader who fostered cultural exchange between the East and West.